Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with a delightful pasta with seafood recipe. Imagine yourself in a quaint Italian trattoria overlooking the Mediterranean Sea as you savor this delectable dish. To start, cook your choice of linguine or spaghetti in a large pot of salted boiling water until al dente. Drain and set aside. Next, prepare your seafood. A mix of shrimp, scallops, mussels, and clams works wonders for this dish. Make sure to pat them dry and season with salt and pepper. Now here's a tip. To clean and devein your seafood properly, use a small, sharp paring knife and make a shallow cut along the back of the shrimp. Use the tip of the knife to lift out the vein. Simple, right? Now, heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add minced garlic and red pepper flakes and sauté for about a minute until fragrant. This is the start of your flavor base. Add your mixed seafood to the skillet and cook until your shrimp turns pink and other seafood is cooked through. Remove the seafood from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add some halved cherry tomatoes and cook until they start to soften. Pour in your dry white wine, scraping the bottom of the skillet to deglaze. This process will incorporate all those wonderful flavors stuck at the bottom of your pan into your sauce. Next, add seafood or chicken broth to the skillet and allow the mixture to simmer, letting the sauce thicken slightly. This is where your sauce starts to come together. Add your cooked pasta and seafood back to the skillet. Toss everything together until well combined and heated through. This step allows all the ingredients to marry together, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley over the dish. Remember, fresh herbs always add a burst of flavor to your dishes, so don't skip this step. Serve your pasta with seafood in bowls, garnished with additional parsley, a squeeze of lemon juice, and optionally some grated Parmesan cheese. That citrus note from the lemon will brighten up the dish, while the Parmesan will add a lovely, creamy texture. And there you have it, your delightful pasta with seafood, ready to impress your taste buds. Try this recipe at home and share your culinary journey. Enjoy every bite of this Italian gem. Buon appetito!